Sanibonani bantu baseningizimu Afrika, igama lami nguMusa waKaMseleku, ovela lapha kuThando Nesithembu. Yazi ngiyahlupheka. Zonke insuku abantu bayaskema abantu, bayabafraud abantu, bazenza mina, bavele baveza ivideo kube sengathi mina ngingakhulumi, umuntu acaba ukuthi ukhuluma nami uMseleku. Kadani ku TikTok, kadani ku Facebook, kadani ku Instagram. Akumina lokho, alikho ibhizinisi engilenza nabantu. So makwenzekile umuntu wakuskema ezenza mina, namanje kade ngifonelwa omunye umuntu lapha engitshela ukuthi hey, ku TikTok kuyabhiziwa kuskenywa abantu ngenxa yakho. Once kwathiwa mina ngifuna si-investe, ngifuna senze imali okwazi ukuthi amanga lawo, I don't do that business ku TikTok. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Hello everyone, Ngiyanothisano and welcome to my channel. So that was reality TV polygamist Musa Mseleku cautioning the public about fake accounts, especially on TikTok, claiming to be him and scamming people through bogus investment opportunities. Now, such a scam is obviously nothing new, neither is it the smartest scam there is, but I'm sure Ubabake is tired of people crying to him. Kanti, how many times must people be warned about the scams of using fake celebrity accounts to lure them in? How do they get scammed by fake celebrity accounts and then manage to find the legitimate or verified ones? They are the same as those allegedly owed by the now deceased Gogo Manzini, who apparently ran a Stokvel investment scam and collected a lot of money from people. The sooner they understand that there is no such thing as easy money, the better. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.